lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas decoration video where I show you guys all of my very pink Christmas decorations that I've made and bought over the years. And I'm definitely starting really early with decorating right now. It's like not even Thanksgiving yet, but it's pretty much blogger life because I have to film this, you know, way before Christmas to put it out, but I'm super pumped to be starting Christmas early this year. I love holidays so much. They are like the joy of life. I really love the Christmas atmosphere and everything. And I do also love the classic Christmas kind of decorations, but of course mine will be all very pink and girly and white, and that's just kind of how I like to decorate for Christmas. Though I do enjoy the classic Christmas decor, but I'm assuming if you're here, you also really love pink as well. So I'm very excited to show you guys all of my little Christmassy Winter Wonderland bits, and let's get into the decorating. So here is all of my Christmas decor. I am definitely going to be hanging up that wreath first because it's just like calling my name. And then also this guy on top was one of my DIYs. There's lots of DIYs in there that I'll show you as I put everything up, but I'm going to start hanging and placing. So I painted this little handy dandy wreath hanger from one that my dad just had, but I painted it white so it would match my door. So I think I'm going to put it on the inside of my door so I can enjoy it. I also have my pink skis that I got from Praxis Custom that I might put on display somewhere because they're super beautiful and they have these little snowflakes on them and stuff, and it's very wintry. So I might try and figure out a place to kind of display these for decoration. For now, I'm just gonna put them right here. So first I'm gonna clean off the top of my armoire up here and take everything down just so I have a clean slate to work with. And then I'm gonna start my kind of cleaning process of my room with up here, and there was a ton of dust up here. It was gross. But once that was all cleaned off, I started with my big pink sparkly garland and trying to find a place for that in my room, which proved to be very difficult. I really felt like it was supposed to go on top of the armoire here, but I just didn't quite know how. So I tried a lot of different ways, but eventually ended up coming up with just curving it around to the side like this to put decorations in the middle of. So for the decor, I added my pink cushiony piece up here, and then I also put up this vase, which I put my pink pine cones in from last year's DIY. But then I kind of thought maybe those weren't matching the garland as well, so I decided to switch it out for some silver ornaments, which I thought looked really pretty. So once I was done arranging them in there, I put up the vase along with my purse and shoes, and then also added a few of the bulbs into the pink garland as well to kind of tie it all together. And over on my door, I replaced my pink kind of silky robe for this big fluffy white coat to kind of add to the skiing Winter Wonderland vibes. Next, I decided to do some much needed cleaning and tidying up, like replacing my pillowcase, which by the way, you should definitely get a satin one, it's so amazing. And also cleaned off all of my mirrors and cleaned off all the dust on my counters and stuff like that while I was clearing them off anyways. I personally find it just really nice and relaxing to know that your whole room is clean and relatively dust-free, especially when getting out old decorations and redoing your room for the holidays. It's just really nice to have a good clean slate. Next, I got out my little white tree, which is my Christmas tree that'll fit in my room, and I just love it because it lights up and it's so beautiful and cute, and I just put on some little decorations for it. I had quite a few little things that I wanted to fit onto this area, little different knickknacks and stuff, so I did quite a bit of rearranging and trying to see which way I liked it, and I actually ended up rearranging it even different than what I ended on here, so check out the intro if you want to see how I actually ended up displaying it. So I just realized I had these really pretty ornaments that I wanted to try on this tree and see if I like better than these little ones, so I'm just going to see if I want to replace those. They're quite a bit bigger because they're meant for like an actual Christmas tree, which I do not yet have, but they're really pretty and I love the pastel pink color of them. So I'm just gonna try it and see what they look like. I think I'll leave it like that. Next, it was time to decorate my bedside table, so I took everything off and removed the original flowers from this vase to put these new Christmassy ones that I got from Joann's in it. And since they're all brand new, I'm just cutting off all the tags and also shortening the stems. So what I do for cutting the fake flower stems is I cut around all the plastic with some scissors, and then I just start bending where I cut around, and eventually it just breaks. Next, I just worked on my little flower arrangement for a while, getting it just how I wanted it. And then I just added my pink fur tissue box and my nutcracker that I made last year. So over here I was thinking about putting my tulle Christmas trees. Just putting it like that or something. Also, for these shoes, I think I want to do something a little bit more wintry. I want to put some things that I use a lot more during the winter. I also decided I wanted my pink shoe wall to have a little bit of a refresh with the new decor, so I went ahead and also rearranged those just to match the whole look. So here is a quick little tour of my now decorated room. So I hung up my white fur coat here from Michael Kors. Didn't do much with that section there, but up here I added this vase with silver ornaments, and I definitely went through a bunch of different things of trying to decide what to put in that vase, but I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And then of course I have my beautiful wreath. And since my room is kind of small, this was the best place to put my skis, but they are very pretty and on display there. And then over here I have my winter boots, a little bit more accessible, and I changed up my heels just a little bit. And then I have my beautiful light up Christmas white tree there. And my little DIY pink village houses that I did last year. I did these ones this year in my new DIY video, and then I also have my tulle trees. And I kind of tucked away my little rose box. Then over here I have my DIY nutcracker, and I got these beautiful florals from Joann Fabrics, and everything was on like super sale before Christmas, so I thought that that was really cool. And then over here I have my Christmas lights on my bed, just to kind of match the Christmassiness over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me decorating. It was a quick one, but I really wanted to share with you all of my new little things for Christmas that I've gotten. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots more holiday videos coming soon. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.